and establishing into an attack formation. They are guided by our forward air controllers. The pilots are now detecting the enemy convoy with their onboard systems. They will fire Hellfire missiles as soon as a launch solution is achieved. Get ready to witness destruction of enemy tank formation. Hold your breath. And there he fires. And boom, the missiles have shattered the tank convoy. The helicopters now pitch down and accelerate to top speeds and exit the arena. The Apaches find their way back home after destroying the target and defeating enemy missiles. Flying in next, we have two advanced light helicopter Mark IV Rudra, who would be destroying the enemy's forward area rearming and refueling point, which is depicted by target number 15. The target is located right in front of you at 2 km. These two